Slovenian water unveiled, unparalleled quality that sets it apart. How clean is Slovenian water? Slovenia, a small, picturesque country nestled in the heart of Europe, is not only known for its stunning natural landscapes and rich cultural heritage, but also its pristine and unparalleled quality of water. The crystal-clear rivers, lakes, and underground springs that flow through the country are a testament to the purity and exceptional quality of Slovenian water. In this article, we will delve into the secrets of Slovenian water and explore why it is truly a treasure. The unique qualities of Slovenian water. One of the key factors that sets Slovenian water apart is its exceptional purity. The water in Slovenia is sourced from underground springs and untouched alpine lakes, ensuring that it remains free from pollutants and contaminants. The country's strict environmental regulations and conservation efforts ensure that the water sources are protected, preserving its pristine quality for generations to come. Another unique quality of Slovenian water is its mineral composition. The water is naturally enriched with essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which not only enhance its taste but also provide numerous health benefits. These minerals are known to support proper hydration, promote healthy digestion, and even contribute to the overall well-being of the body. Aqua Lab Solutions. Slovenia, a jewel of natural beauty, is taking a groundbreaking step towards preserving its pristine water sources. Hakim El Kiar, an innovative mind from Aqua Lab, has engineered a revolutionary system, the hyper-microplastic filter, transforming how we perceive water cleanliness. In just a few minutes, this ingenious device detects microplastics in water, offering a swift and cost-effective solution. It isolates indicator fibers and captures images via an inbuilt microscope and IR camera, marking locations through GPS. The data, transmitted to a remote computer, creates a comprehensive map of microplastic pollution, a leap forward in monitoring laboratories. The collaboration of Aqua Lab and the National Institute for Polymers, Composites, and Biomaterials in Italy uncovered the presence of microfibers or plastic fragments in all examined drinking water samples in Slovenia. This revelation necessitates urgent action. The hyper-microplastic filter's potential extends beyond detection. It paves the way for tailored filtration systems. By curbing pollution at its source, this technology promises a long-term solution to one of today's most pressing environmental challenges. Visit Slovenia and be part of the journey towards cleaner water. Embrace the innovation of hyper-microplastic filter, safeguarding the aquatic wonders of this mesmerizing destination. The health benefits of drinking Slovenian water. Drinking water is essential for maintaining good health, and Slovenian water offers a plethora of health benefits. The natural mineral composition of Slovenian water provides a unique combination of essential minerals that contribute to overall well-being. Calcium and magnesium, for example, are crucial for healthy bone development and maintaining proper nerve function. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports optimal heart health. Furthermore, the purity of Slovenian water ensures that it is free from harmful contaminants, making it safe for consumption. This is particularly important in a world where water pollution is a growing concern. By choosing Slovenian water, individuals can be confident that they are nourishing their bodies with the highest quality water, devoid of harmful substances. Why Slovenian water is truly a treasure. Slovenian water is a treasure that embodies purity, exceptional quality, and a deep-rooted tradition of environmental sustainability. From its unique mineral composition to its historical significance and health benefits, Slovenian water stands apart as a symbol of excellence. With its diverse range of water sources and meticulous sourcing and processing methods, Slovenian water offers a taste of nature's finest gift. By choosing Slovenian water, consumers not only support sustainable water management practices but also indulge in a truly extraordinary drinking experience. Whether enjoyed straight from the source or exported to far-flung destinations, Slovenian water continues to captivate the hearts and taste buds of those fortunate enough to experience its unparalleled quality. So, raise a glass and savor the pure essence of Slovenian water, a treasure that flows from the heart of Europe. Experience the unrivaled quality of Slovenian water for yourself. Invest in your health and well-being and indulge in the exquisite taste of nature's finest gift. Choose Slovenian water and discover a drinking experience like no other. For inquiries or to delve deeper into the quest for cleaner water in Slovenia, follow us or explore the groundbreaking hyper-microplastic filter in the link below.